Hey guys, it's me, Jalen Green, and today I will be teaching you how to change your name in Prodigy. So, first thing you want to do is click on yourself. Go to change style. If you're a girl, go to boy, and if you're a boy, go to girl. And then you buy that, make sure you have enough money. Click any name, then you want to go back, then you want to go back to your normal person. Then you can click a different name. I did not know they had a name Jalen on here, and you guys know that's my real name. So I'm gonna choose that, and there you go, guys. That's how you change your name on Prodigy. So, hope you enjoyed. All the credit goes to Camden Bell, and so this is the end of the video. So, hope this helped you, and hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, and see you next time.